If you don't know me, you don't know that I'm an inventor and fabricator, machinist, mechanic, technician, and in this video, I'm going to explain some of the knowledge I've gained over the past couple of decades on how to fix stuff and why price does not really matter, and tell you a great story about an experience I had. This video is going to show you a different way of dealing with people and a cool story. I'm going to call this video Kick-Ass Wisdom with Clay and how I invented trailing arms and now this motor mount bracket for Chevy Equinox, Saturn Views, Pontiac Torrent, and GMC Terrains too. I invented some things and I'm the only person in the world to do it. I have to collect people's VIN numbers. And I'm going to tell you exactly in this video why I do it. I'm going to piss some people off. Well, crooked-ass people, not good people like you and me. People, they're going to get pissed. I'm going to require that you give me your VIN number, your cell phone number, and your shipping zip code so I can find out what the shipping's going to be before I give you a price because of the story I'm about to tell you. You may be asking yourself, why do you ask for the VIN number? The bodies are very similar. They're not identical, but this bracket will work in all of them. You may not know this, but the rear of these exact same vehicles, the trailing arm rust out of them. I invented two brackets, repaired this problem for that front bracket and this rear bracket. No, that's not factory. Oh, Clayboy invented that and made them. That vehicle actually has about 40,000 miles on it since I repaired them. They hold up pretty good. And made a comprehensive installation video of the repairs of that problem that I can help many people all over the world. Did about a year's worth of R&D on that particular bracket. Found something out about humanity. Set out to change the world. The world frickin' changed me. So I've got a little story for you. Gentleman messages me about getting trailing arm brackets. Didn't like my price. So what does this ass clown do? Goes out and sells the vehicle to this woman, all of the frickin' money. 2007 Saturn View. Sold it to her for $5,000. All the money. Great vehicles. Worth putting the money into. This asshole frickin' sells it to her. And no, of course he didn't say shit. So, where do you go when there's only one place in the world makes and sells trailing arm brackets for Chevy Equinox, Saturn View, GMC Terrain, and Pontiac Torrent? Go right here to the Clayway. Lady messages me. Got this 2007 Saturn View. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. She's like, hey, I'm right here local in town. Can you fix it for me? I'm like, sure, I can fix it for you. So she brings it over. I start talking with her. To find out, she bought it from a dude that messaged me 2 weeks before about getting a freaking bracket. What the fuck? This cheap ass didn't want to spend $300 on his freaking $5,000 car. Didn't buy the brackets from me. Sold her the vehicle. She didn't know it was a problem. Ended up fixing it for free. He did that because I have a conscience and a freaking heart. You can't do anything with the damn VIN number. The only thing that people would worry about by not giving me the VIN number is so they can pull shenanigans like that crap. Because I'm not. You can't get a title for it. You can't do shit. I'm a damn YouTube channel with 70,000 plus subscribers. You think I'm going to go around and pull shenanigans like whatever the hell you think I could possibly do with the stinking VIN number? I don't care if you don't give it to me. But I will say this. This happens again. May start sharing it with Carfax if you're ass honest. Fix your cars right. Be selling junk to other people that they don't know about. Without disclosing it at least. Don't have a problem with. And another thing. People love asking the price. There's a reason you should caution asking the price as the first question. Any situation where you have something that is a must-have or a must-do, the price really doesn't matter. Say you call up the repair shop and your first question is, how much is this going to cost? Seems like a pretty legitimate question to ask. As a little word of advice for the future, and maybe not in this situation because you got to know the price. In other situations, everybody does it all the time. Sometimes you shouldn't though. Think about this. Before you ask somebody the price of something, create a dialogue with that other individual, because learn a lot about you within about 30 seconds to a minute of talking to them. End up liking you, they might actually give you a better price. Really, price doesn't matter. Most people just make this shit up anyways. They're gonna respect you a lot more if you have the ability not to ask them. You need to think, But I have to ask you a question before you ask me that one. Does the price really matter? If your vehicle is worth more than $1,000, brackets cost nowhere near as $1,000. And any vehicle that runs and drives down the road, from my experience, is worth at least $2,500 in this state of the economy. But I've seen all over the place. If it is, does it really matter what the price of it is? I invested my time, my energy, my money, and I'm not a crackhead on the corner.
But you're missing your teeth like one.
Hey, just like fat people, it's not my freaking fault. I've got a medical condition. My dog, Mac, ate my new ones. Damn dog. These brackets take me about 6 hours to make each one of them. I need to make money. I just don't have to make it all off you. No matter what it is you think you can or cannot do, if anyone else can do it, I promise you can do it too. God bless and have the best of days.